AI wins a court case. Is humanity losing control? Imagine waking up to a world where AI is no longer just a tool, but a lawyer, a judge, and even the one making final decisions in a courtroom. Sounds like science fiction, right? But what if I told you that this is already happening? Recently, an AI system successfully argued and won a case in court, shocking legal experts worldwide. This wasn't a simulation, it wasn't a test, it was real. AI outperformed human lawyers, presenting arguments with unmatched precision and speed. And now, the biggest question remains: is this the beginning of a new era where artificial intelligence takes over the justice system? A legal revolution or a dangerous shift? For centuries, human judgment, emotions, and morality have been at the core of our legal systems. But AI doesn't feel. It doesn't understand human suffering or the weight of justice. It only processes data. And yet, in this case, it managed to analyze thousands of legal documents, predict the outcome with near-perfect accuracy, and win. Elon Musk has repeatedly warned about AI surpassing human intelligence, but no one expected it to replace lawyers so soon. If AI can now win lawsuits, what's next? AI replacing judges? Governments run by AI? The entire legal system controlled by algorithms? Who benefits and who loses? For businesses and corporations, AI-powered lawyers could mean faster legal processes, fewer errors, and reduced costs. But for thousands of human lawyers, this could mean job extinction. Imagine spending years studying law, only to be outperformed by a machine in seconds. But it doesn't stop there. What happens when AI makes a mistake? Who is responsible? Can an AI be held accountable for wrongful convictions? What if AI is hacked and manipulated? These are the terrifying ethical dilemmas that experts are scrambling to answer. The future of AI in law. Are we ready? This court case is just the beginning. Countries around the world are now discussing AI-powered legal systems where trials are run by machines, eliminating human biases, but also eliminating human morality. Elon Musk has said, AI is more dangerous than nuclear weapons. But now we must ask ourselves, have we already lost control? What do you think? Should AI be allowed to decide human fate in courts? Or is this a step too far? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video shocking, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing updates on AI, robotics, and the future of humanity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.